Hey, I'm El Ghazi and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna show how to create this sci-fi planet effect animation in After Effects. And you can download these After Effects files in the link in the description. Before we start, remember to subscribe to receive other videos and other tutorials. Let's start. We start creating our sci-fi planet look, and after that we create a sphere with light and shadow. So we start creating another comp. We call main, and we create a solid layer, and we call Fractal Noise. And we apply a Fractal Noise effect. And after this, we have to change the fractal type to smearly. And now we change our fractal noise settings. So here in the contrast, we put 130. In the brightness, just 4. Now we open transform and change the scale to 390. The complexity to 3.7. Open the subsettings, the influence to 65 and subscaling to 58. We just keyframe the evolution right here. And we create another solid layer and call it color. So, color. In this layer, we're going to use a gradient ramp. And we choose the color. So, let's use this color here and this color here. Now for the final effect, we need more contrast in between the color. So we add this Tyler effect and change the settings in Tyler effect. In the scale, we choose 33%. To link our fractal noise effect and create the distortion in this color layer, we have to add a displacement map to this layer here. So just write this and add to our color layer. To link the fractal noise layer to the displacement map, we're going to this displacing map settings and choose fractal noise, and in this right option here we choose effect and masks. We have to change these settings here, this horizontal and vertical displacement. So here we put 16 and 31, and in the vertical we choose 237. For now, we don't want to see this layer here, this Fractal Noise layer. We create a solid layer in the background with black color. So, okay. And for the final effect, we need to add an adjustment layer and add a Gaussian Blur and a Turbulent Displace. In the Gaussian Blur, we change the blur dimensions to just horizontal and the blurriness to 190. In the Turbulent Displace, we just turn the amount to 204. So, and this is our first step to have our final effect. Now, to go into the next step, we have to create another comp, and we call this comp sphere. In this comp, we have just to drag our main comp inside. When we have our comp, we just go in here and search for a sphere. We change our radius to have a more bigger planet here. We add a solid layer in the background. We change our sphere effect settings, change the light a little bit, more brightness, and the shading we choose more dark. So as you can see, we have our final effect. And if you press your spacebar, you can see this animated. So to improve this simple animation, we can choose here in the settings of the sphere, the rotation. We press here to create a keyframe in 0 seconds. And in the final, we choose maybe there we go. We can choose this side here. So here you are free to explore. So you can go to the settings and play and explore with this final effect. So that's it. Consider to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts or questions, write in the comments below, and thanks for watching.